Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. Now let me explain to you one thing. You can only request a withdrawal to any bank account, PayPal account, Venmo account, or any debit card whatsoever, that you have previously used to deposit funds into your Prizepicks account. You cannot request withdrawal to anything apart from that. So what I suggest you to do is to have made your deposit using the Cash App card, right? Or if you haven't made it through the Cash App card, what I need you to do is I need you to link the card that you used to deposit into Prizepicks, link it to Cash App. Okay? So do that. And then you want to navigate to the menu, look at the top left corner, Prizepicks app, to request the withdrawal. And if you're accessing this on the browser, the menu is in the top right corner. Select on request withdrawal. They'll send you a one-time password by email. You want to go ahead and input this password. And once you go ahead and finalize the withdrawal, they'll actually send you an email letting you know whether or not the withdrawal was successful or not. So make sure you are withdrawing to either the Cash App card or use a debit card that was linked to your Cash App. That way you can go ahead and transfer funds there, okay? And it's literally that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution. And I'll see you guys in the next one.